Who doesn't want to make a big profit? Intraday trading can make you rich very quickly. But this sometimes results in mistakes and heavy losses. Many times a trader meets a disastrous loss in a single day. This video details on the most common trading mistakes of intraday traders. A peek into these worst mistakes will help you avoid them. Number 5. Rushing to book profits. Many traders make quick and bad decisions when they see their position making a small profit. A lot of traders rush to book profits before they decide the target and stop loss. You should always decide your stop loss first before risking your money on a trade. All trade are not the same. Many traders make mistake of holding their losing trades for a long time and rushing to book profit on a good trade, because they are worried that the trade might go in a loss. Before entering a trade, you should always keep the profit target and stop loss in mind. Trading is probability game. Not all trade will be a winner. Stop loss will save you from losing on a bad trade. But rushing to book a small profit will result in a loss in the long run. Teach yourself to exit trade at the profit target. The trade will hit your profit targets if you stay patient. Number 4. Averaging in a losing position. For some experienced traders, averaging a losing position is fine. For some, however, especially in intraday, it could prove risky. Averaging down is an investing strategy, in which a stock owner purchases additional shares of a previously initiated investment, after the price has dropped further. The result of this second purchase is a decrease in the average price, at which the investor purchased the stock. As history shows, when a trader is holding a losing position, the greatest errors have taken place. Only start to average when there's a benefit. Otherwise, you are just adding more money on an already lost battle. Number 3 mistake is blindly following rumors. Another major mistake is to pursue the rumors spread by traders and the newspapers. Market trends are recommended, but rumors should be avoided. Without your own research, do not pursue intraday trading recommendations and media speculation. Going on the advice of TV channels and newspapers can lead to wrong decisions without reading charts. If you are a beginner, you should stay away from the subreddit known as the Wall Street Bets. This subreddit is fun to be a part of. But don't blindly follow advice told on here, or anywhere else on the internet. Number 2. Trading too frequently. Many intraday traders eventually lose their hard-earned cash due to overtrading. Everyday traders should realize that overtrading will impair good returns. You don't have to take trade every single day to make a good living. Not all days are same. Market won't make big price moves every day. For an intraday trader to make money, good price movement is necessary. This is not possible every single day. You have to understand that not trading is also making money, because you just saved money that you would have lost in a bad market. Even so, do not place all your assets in investing, even if you are sure about optimistic price trends. Number 1 mistake is avoiding homework and research. Many traders jump into purchasing or selling their stocks without doing any homework. Proper research can save you from making stupid mistakes. You don't have enough knowledge of patterns, particularly if you're a beginner. Therefore, it is important to learn trading patterns. It is important before trading to get information about the company and the price movements. If you find a trading strategy that claims to work 70% of time, don't just blindly risk your money on it. Learn to backtest. Test at least 100 times on old market data, before risking money in live market. Understand its real win rate. Win rate can vary from person to person. Even if the strategy works in the backtest, don't risk a lot of money on it at first. Start slow and slowly increase the amount as you get more confident with that strategy. Smash that like button if you liked it. For best trading videos,